What is function scope?
The function scope refers to where a variable can be accessed within a program. When you create a variable inside a function, it's only visible within that function. This limited accessibility helps prevent accidental changes from other parts of your code, making programs easier to debug and maintain.
Understanding local variables.
Local variables are created inside a function and only exist while that function runs. They're isolated from the rest of the program. If you try to use a local variable outside its function, you'll get an error. This helps keep data protected and avoids naming conflicts.
What are global variables?
Global variables are defined outside any function, often at the top of your code. They can be accessed and changed from anywhere in your program. While convenient, they can also lead to confusion if widely used, as it's harder to track when their values change.
Why scope matters?
By understanding the difference between local and global variables, you can make your code safer and easier to manage. Proper scope control helps prevent bugs, reduce confusion, and create programs that are easier for you and others to understand.
Best practices for using variables.
Use local variables whenever possible to limit side effects and keep your code organized. Reserve global variables for values that truly need to be shared across multiple functions. Always name your variables clearly and avoid using the same name for different purposes.